when I sometimes talk to my patients to explain to them, and I mention them, do you want to feel it the same that you used to feel when you were 20 or 30? And most of them say, yes, of course.
Of course.
Well, let me tell you, the big difference between you now, you're 50 or 60, and you before when you were 20 or 30 is hormones. You know, if we can't give your hormones back to the youth level, you're going to feel better. You're going to feel probably like you used to do. They are just, oh my God, I want that. I want that. So hormones is a very essential part of all our treatments. And I think most of the people who practice, some type of wellness and health optimization, hormones is usually, the main thing that we can act. Because we know that based on scientific data, that hormones have most of the regulations of our functions, cell functions, including, the capacity to stay younger and to feel better over the years.